We screwed up our constants. Let's look at it. The DUM needs an 80 at the end rather than an FF because of divisibility. This divided by 3 needs to be equal to this. This divided by 5 needs to be equal to this. And this divided by 64 needs to be equal to this. The DUM is the number of discrete units in the visible section of the world map that is loaded into our renderer. This is the number of discrete units in a hotel, aka level pack, number of discrete units in a room, aka level, number of discrete units in a game size tile. In addition to that, we have the number of discrete units in all of our different tile sizes, a 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x, 32x, and 64x tile. You'll notice that this number right here is equal to this because the largest tile size is equal to an entire room. And this is merely a synonym for a game size tile. These numbers at the end here are for the tile size exponent that is used. So this is going to be equal to 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, etc. We've added some constants, or not constants, but asserts to make sure that our math is correct because I'm paranoid now. We have added a yell function to make asserts extra annoying, and we have modified the assert function here with that yell function as well as given it an optional message. This is what we did in the previous tutorial. We have cleaned up some of our comments as well, putting the correct constants in there. This is what we did in this video. You can pause to look at this if you want. And this is what we did in this video here. This has been video number 98. You can get the snapshot here. And if you want something a little bit slower, you can go here. This has been video number 98. Like and subscribe.